Let's use accessibility shortcuts on your iPhone. Now your iPhone has the ability to let you triple click that side button and it will give you a shortcut to all different kinds of cool options. So to use that, let's hop into our settings and scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now if we scroll down, we can go to accessibility shortcut at the bottom here. And you can see there are a couple that are checked here. Let's say I want to turn on smart invert. So I want to have that as an accessibility shortcut. Now all I have to do is triple click this side button and it will give me the ability to tap smart invert. And now it will smart invert my entire screen. Just triple click again and you can uncheck that smart invert. It gives you all different kinds of options here: magnifier, live captions, contrast, switch control, voice control, zoom, classic invert, assistive touch, background sounds, all these different things that you can enable just with this accessibility shortcut of triple clicking that side button. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today and I'll see you on the next one.